In this video, I'll show you how to convert a PDF into Excel. I love spreadsheets and I love PDFs, but they don't always play nicely together. Enter my good friend Lido. This is a program that automates boring and simple tasks like bringing a bunch of data from your PDFs into your spreadsheets. And the best thing about this, the thing that I like the most at least, is that you don't have to leave the comfort of your spreadsheet. So Lido is a browser-based spreadsheet, looks very familiar to Google Sheets or Excel if you're used to using those, and I know that you are. Today, let's connect some data, and you can connect all sorts of data using Lido from all sorts of different sources, but what I want to do is use the PDF tools up here in the menu, and we're going to actually connect our PDFs to Lido. All right, so click up here. Data extractor is the second option. Incidentally, you can right click in a cell and hey, it's right there, data extractor. So either way you want to get to it, it'll open up this little dialog box here and we can just click to upload. I've got a sample inventory sheet. I'll show you what it looks like right here. It is very simply just an inventory sheet of these products. We got multiple products on one page. In Lido, it's going to do some stuff automatically for us. It's a smart tool. It's intuitive, like we expect these things to be these days, right? So it's going to read through the information on the PDF. It's a simple one for the demonstration purposes, but it's going to be smart enough to see that, hey, do you want to get an item name, a SKU, a quantity, and a price per item? Because it sees over here on our PDF, oh, wouldn't you know, item name, SKU, quantity, price per unit, okay? So it's pretty accurate with these things. You can also add extra instructions to it down here if you want to like make sure that it does things in a certain currency amount or whatever, but I'm going to delete that. You can leave that blank, extra instructions for the AI model in case you need them. You can also add other stuff right up here if you want to add another column for the data to extract, or if you want to delete them, you can manually delete them from up there as well. You can see that when you add things here, typing add things, it actually adds it right over here on our sheet itself. So it is making columns out of whatever we add here in real time. And as we delete it, boom, it's deleted from right there, no longer there. Okay, next thing, we want to click this guy, and it was smart enough to know that we wanted to click this. We want to extract multiple rows per document because if you recall, we've got multiple items on this document. So we got all these items, we want to extract them all and all the information over here for them, right? So it's smart enough to know that. Again, it does this stuff automatically. Then all we really need to do is press process files and it will process the information. And in real time, we see it included right over here. This tool is quick. I'm sure it will only get quicker as time goes on, as all these AI model-based tools do. But this saves a lot of copy and pasting, especially for the PDFs. And I know you got them that have a bunch of info on there that's just tedious to deal with. And I've encountered PDFs where you can't actually copy and paste stuff. Now the Adobe Reader, it's getting pretty good these days to where that's not as prevalent of a problem as it used to be, but still, I want to just automate this stuff. This tool makes it possible. You can bring PDF data quickly over into Excel. And how do you get it to Excel? We didn't do that part yet. File, export values to Excel. Boom. So right there, it's going to create an XLSX workbook. Here it is, enable editing, zoom in, got all that info right here. Now, if you like this, if it looks simple, you want to use Lido, I've got a link in the description. They've partnered with me for this video. I've been a fan of them, been using them for over a year now, and I think you'll like what you see. They got a free trial. You can check it out, see if it fits your business and your use case. I got this video next in case you want another sweet tutorial. Hope you have a fantastic day.